If you are looking for a way to download Windows 11 for your computer, let me tell you that there is a way to do that directly from Microsoft. This way, you don't need to wait until the end of this year or the beginning of next year to start using Windows 11. Microsoft just made Windows 11 Insider build available for everyone to try. To have it, you just need to be part of Windows Insider program. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Because this is going to be an insider build, it might not be as stable as you would expect. So keep that in mind when you download this version. Without further ado, let me show you how to get Windows 11 on your computer. As I said before, to get Windows 11, you must be an insider if you're not already. To do that, go to Windows Start and write Windows Insider. On the results, click on Windows Insider Programmer Settings. You can also get here by clicking on Windows Start, Settings, Update and Security, Windows Insider. If you're not part of Windows Insider program, click on Get Started. This will open a new screen. Here, you must link your Microsoft or Hotmail account to Windows Insider program. Select Microsoft account and click on Continue. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one by clicking here on Create One. I'm going to use my Microsoft account. Click Next to continue. Once you have signed in to Microsoft account, a new screen will appear asking you to join the Windows Insider program. To do that, using your Microsoft account, click on Register. On this new screen, you have the option to join the Windows Insider program. To do that, just click here on Sign Up. Click here and click Submit. To complete this process, click on Close. Back to this screen again, click on Link an Account, select your Microsoft account and then click Continue. In this screen, you have the options to choose your insider settings. There are 3 channels: Dev, Beta, and Preview. I will explain later the difference between them. For now, select Dev and click Confirm. In this screen, select Continue. Here, click on Restart to restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, go to Windows Insider Program Settings. To change Insider settings, click on Dev channel. Here you have 3 channel options: Dev, Beta, and Preview. If you want to get Windows 11 now, you must opt for Dev channel. Beta channel is recommended, but it will take some time for you to download this version. New features take some time to arrive both on Beta and Preview, but they are more stable when compared to Dev channel. Once you have selected Dev channel, click on Windows Update on the left side, then click on Check Update for updates. Right here, you can see that it is downloading Windows 11 Insider Preview. It can take quite some time to complete, download, and install it. Once the install finishes, click on Reinstart Now. There you go guys, I have installed Windows 11. Remember, this is not a stable version, so some features may not work as you expect. Well everyone, that's all for this video. Let me know in the comment section if you were able to download and install Windows 11 on your computer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it. As always, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching everyone.